guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, hi, I'm Lauren. I don't know how you found me, but please definitely stay. So today's video is what I eat in a day, the weekend version. Now some weekends are different. It's like sometimes I'm on a strict diet, sometimes I have like scrambled egg in the mornings, and then I have like just a cup of tea for lunch. And then sometimes when I fancy like loads of goodies over the weekend, like this weekend, I thought, you know what, I'm going to show you of what I eat on a weekend. Like on the weekday, it's exactly the same. I have tea in the morning, then I have the same for lunch at work, and then come home and have different dinners, and then have a yogurt, and then I'll stop eating at 6. But on the weekends, you have to mix it up a bit. You can't just keep having the same things every day. It just gets so boring. So like I said, every weekend's different. Some weekends I like to keep to the same things, and then other weekends I think, do you know what, I want a nice treat day. I want a nice, just have whatever I want. So this weekend we did have plans to have dinner, but where we've got so many goodies, and we're actually going to make Nutella French toast instead of like having dinner. So obviously I'm going to show you what I have on a weekend, especially like my breakfasts. I will just have, sometimes I would have like a meal deal from Morrison's or Tesco's. Sometimes I have scrambled egg on toast, so every weekend is different. But this particular weekend, I just wanted to show you of what I eat in a day. So like I said, every weekend's different. Not every weekend's the same. Sometimes I like stick to the same thing, and sometimes I just like to eat absolutely what I want. So obviously I've had a meal deal, and then I can have like meal deal in the afternoon again. I can have loads of snacks. So I'm just going to show you what I eat in a day, and I hope you guys enjoy. Every weekend is different. So I have a cup of tea. Sometimes I have toast or scrambled egg on toast, but today we are having a meal deal from Morrison's. Lunch, I had a cup of tea, chicken wrap and some mini eggs. I don't really have much for lunch, but this is what I had. Fancy having a dinner today, so we just made French toast with Nutella, with strawberries, whipped cream and a flake crunched on top. This is so nice if you've not tried it before. I don't really eat much, even on a weekend. Night snack with a cheese Doritos whilst catching up on Love Island. Some weekends I have little snacks, some I don't. I hope you guys have enjoyed today's video. Like I said in the intro, every weekend is different. None of the weekends are the same. Like one weekend I can just stick to what I want, and then other weekends are completely different. Sometimes I fancy having dinner on a weekend, sometimes I don't. Sometimes we have dinner, then we don't, you know. Sometimes we just like to have a pick it day, like this weekend. We can just, if we get hungry, we can just have it. We've got food in the house, so if we just like fancy something, we just cook something up. But some weekends you just don't fancy having a dinner, you just fancy just nitpicking a little food. And like my mum used to say, if you want it, go and get it. If you're hungry, just go and get it, go and make it yourself. But yeah, that is what this weekend's all about. So I didn't want to just film like the same thing we have each weekend. I wanted it to be different, I wanted it to be real with you guys, so I wanted to keep everything all real. So this is basically of what we have like every other weekend. Like I said, one weekend we just stick to the same things, then we change it up another weekend. I have goodies and stuff. So yeah, I just wanted to keep it real with you guys and not show you something that I think you guys would want to see. This is just how we eat on the weekends and what I have. So yeah, I just wanted to keep it real with you guys. So I hope you guys have enjoyed today's video. As always, give it a like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.